Happy Vlogmas, everyone. It's day 3. I came out to look at my roses this morning, and keep in mind we've gotten a lot of rain this last week, and my leaves are turning kind of yellow here, so hopefully things dry out real soon. You can see all the yellow leaves on my rose bush. And I'm going to show you my little friend here that's eating off of my milkweed. I saw him earlier today. He's just going to town on these leaves. Look at him crunch munching on the leaves. I gotta spray this milkweed. There's it's like aphids on them. I gotta get some of my little soapy water going. So what I actually did is I just kind of by hand went and kind of smushed some of them, and I know there's still some on there yet, but I'll get them off. But look at him. He's really big, actually. Look at the size of him. I wanted to show you something real cute. So here's my cucumber plant, and look at the tiny cucumber. So cute, and look at all the flowers on them. And I always like the little, there's one down there. So that is it for today. Tomorrow, I think we're gonna fill up that metal raised bed that I said I just kind of put like all the little scraps of different flowers, vines, and that, and we'll put some seeds in there and see how they do. It's a good little size raised bed. So hit that follow button. Have a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.